Hi, we're here with Paul Davies from TA Accounting this morning, and we just want to talk to Paul a bit about his business, which he started about 24 years ago, specialising in the travel and tourism industry. Paul, why don't you tell us a bit more about TA Accounting?
Yeah, like you said, Joseph, TA Accounting specialises in travel, tourism, property and small business, and we've developed some really good skills in those areas. So I think we're able to offer clients in those type of businesses some really good advice.
Excellent, Paul. And what makes your company unique? I mean, look, I know that there's a range of different services out there for potential accounting clients, but what makes you guys different?
Well, Joseph, what makes us different is that we go into the depths of a business. So, for example, in the travel and tourism businesses, we know a lot about the systems that drive those businesses. So we're really getting in sort of at the beginning of the numbers and looking at what drives the information through to the accounting system. So I think we're able to offer advice that goes way beyond what the usual accountant would. So for example, we understand in travel, Tramada, Travelog, those systems that are used for their businesses, and in the tourism, we understand tour plan and tour writer. So that's the actual underlying systems driving the financials.
Sure, so that's somewhere you can add value, Paul. That's very interesting. And with property and small business, I know you've been doing a bit more work on those sectors. So tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah, so we've recently, in the last 6 months, we've actually converted our business completely onto Xero. So we now have everything in the cloud. And so Xero's fabulous in the fact that it's got lots of apps that attach to it. So if you're in a property business or rental property or whatever, we can attach something to it to help manage your business. And again, the same sort of thing with the underlying systems driving the financials. We also have a dashboard in Xero. So we are keeping in touch with what your business is doing every day. So we know whether your GST is not filed, whether your transactions are not posted on time, that sort of thing. So I think we're really onto it when it comes to helping you run your business.
Excellent. That sounds great, Paul. Now, I know you've got other services that you offer. I know you've got like a fixed pricing model. You've got system reviews. You can assist on succession planning. You know about tax efficient and safe legal structures. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about those?
Okay, let's talk about valuations. So if someone's interested in selling their business, we've been involved in a couple of clients helping them sell their business over the last 2 years for quite a big sum of money. And so we get involved right from the start. So if you're thinking about divesting your business, then we would get involved 2 or 3 years in advance, do some valuations, look at the planning for the divestment, and even help you through the whole process of selling the business. So that's something we really love doing.
Excellent. And with international business, Paul, I mean, we may be talking to some clients here, or potential clients who are travel and tourism clients doing business in Australia and the UK.
Yeah, that's right. There's quite a lot of clients now who are well established in the New Zealand marketplace and now moving to Aussie. So we help them set up their company, or we help them get IATA if they need that in Aussie. Because we've got Xero, we can run their accounting from here, even if it's for an Australian company. And we've got links with Australian accountants if we need to use expertise in Aussie.
Excellent, Paul. And I guess a final few points. We're aware that you do system reviews. And you focus mainly or specifically on productivity. Can you tell us a little bit more about how that could benefit a client?
Yes, so I mean, productivity is a real key in this day and age to help clients improve their business, particularly if it's a people-intensive business. And we've got systems that we can put into your business that will help you improve your staff productivity. That's not all we do, of course, because we still cover off the essential compliance requirements, tax returns, annual accounts. Those things are in Xero, and we can flick them out to you and get those accounts signed, electronically nowadays to really streamlined. We've really streamlined the processes on the compliance side of our business. So, yep, please join us. Come in, have a meeting, whatever. We'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Paul. Thanks so much.